Hey space explorers! Ready to blast off on a journey through the planet's solar system? Let's discover the planets like never before, fast, fun, and full of cosmic wonder. Any of the large bodies that revolve around the Sun in the solar system is called as planet. Today, we're setting off on a cosmic adventure to explore the wonders of our solar system. From the blazing inner planets, to the giant outer worlds, and the mysterious dwarf planets beyond. Our solar system has 8 main planets. Closest to the Sun are the inner planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Farther out lie the outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. But that's not all. There are also 5 officially recognized dwarf planets. Ceres, Pluto, Haumea, Makemake, and Eris, small, icy worlds full of secrets. Sparkles, so buckle up, and let's explore the solar system together. The inner planets differ in size, and this comparison highlights how they relate to one another. Known as terrestrial planets, they each have a solid, rocky surface similar to Earth's. This composite illustrates the relative sizes of the 4 inner planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, shown from left to right. Mercury is the smallest planet and closest to the Sun. Mercury's surface temperatures are both extremely hot and cold. Mercury is the fastest planet, zipping around the Sun every around 88 Earth days. Mercury doesn't have moons and rings. The average distance from the Sun to Mercury is approximately 36 million miles, or about 58 million kilometers. Now meet Venus, the fiery twin, Earth's twisted twin. Venus is the second planet from the Sun, and the 6th largest planet. Venus is one of only 2 planets in our solar system that doesn't have a moon. Venus has no rings. The average distance from Venus to the Sun is 67 million miles, 108 million kilometers. Earth is our home planet, is the 3rd planet from the Sun, and the 5th largest planet. The only known planet with liquid water, breathable air, and life. Earth has no rings. Earth is the planet that has a single moon. The average distance from Earth to the Sun is 93 million miles, 150 million kilometers. Mars is the 4th planet from the Sun and the 7th biggest. It's known for its red, dusty surface and has always sparked our imagination. Scientists don't think anything is living there now, but they are searching for signs that life may have existed a long time ago when Mars was warmer and had water. Mars has 2 tiny moons named Phobos and Deimos. It doesn't have any rings. Mars is about 142 million miles, 228 million kilometers, away from the Sun, on average. Now let's go to the outer solar system, where the planets are really big, but you can't walk on them. Jupiter and Saturn are called gas giants. They are made of swirling gases and don't have solid ground. Uranus and Neptune are ice giants. They are colder, darker, and filled with icy, strange materials. These planets don't have hard surfaces, just clouds, powerful storms, and lots of mystery. Meet Jupiter, the biggest planet in our solar system. It's so huge, 1,000 Earths could fit inside it. Even though it's massive, a day on Jupiter is super short, just about 10 hours long. It's the 5th planet from the Sun, about 778 million kilometers, 483 million miles, away. Jupiter has 95 moons and even has rings, but they are really hard to see. This giant planet is full of storms, clouds, and mystery, a true king of the planets. Meet Saturn, the jewel of the solar system. It's the 6th planet from the Sun and the 2nd biggest of them all. On average, it's about 886 million miles, that's 1.4 billion kilometers, from the Sun, very far from Earth. But what really makes Saturn special? Its stunning rings. These rings are made of ice and rock, leftovers from comets, asteroids, or even shattered moons. It has 274 moons orbiting around it. Uranus, the tilted ice giant and one of the oddest planets. Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun, and the 3rd largest planet in our solar system. It appears to spin sideways. On average, it's about 1.8 billion miles, 2.9 billion kilometers, from the Sun. Uranus has 28 known moons. Uranus has 13 rings. Neptune, the farthest planet from the Sun, and the 4th biggest in our solar system. It was the first planet discovered using math. Neptune is about 2.8 billion miles, 4.5 billion kilometers, miles away from the Sun. It has 16 moons, and at least 5 main rings with 4 bright ring arcs. Cold, windy, and deep blue, Neptune is full of mystery. Dwarf planets include longtime favorite Pluto, Ceres, Makemake, Haumea, and Eris. Dwarf planet Ceres is the largest object in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, and it's the only dwarf planet in the inner solar system. Ceres is about 257 million miles, 413 million kilometers, away from the Sun. It has no moons and no rings. Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006 by the International Astronomical Union because other objects might cross its orbit. Pluto is about 3.7 billion miles, 5.9 billion kilometers, away from the Sun. Pluto has 5 known moons: Charon, Nix, Hydra, Kerberos, and Styx. There are no known rings around Pluto. Haumea is oval-shaped and is one of the fastest rotating large objects in our solar system. Haumea was nicknamed Santa by one Discovery team. It is about 4 billion miles, 6.5 billion kilometers, from the Sun. It has 2 moons, Namaka and Hyakka. Haumea was the first Kuiper belt object found with 1 confirmed ring, but many more could be found. Makemake is a small, bright dwarf planet in the Kuiper belt, a bit smaller than Pluto. It's about 4.25 billion miles, 6.84 billion kilometers, from the Sun. Makemake has no rings, but it does have 1 moon, called Mk2. The discovery of Eris helped trigger the debate in the scientific community that led to the decision to clarify the definition of a planet. Eris has a very small moon called Dysnomia. Eris has no known rings. It is about 8.95 billion miles, 14.4 billion kilometers, from the Sun. And that's the end of our amazing journey through the planets. Each one has its own cool story. Want more space adventures? Then don't forget to like the video, subscribe Bright Spark Adventures for more space fun. Share it with your fellow explorers. Which planet is your favorite? Tell us in the comments. Is it Saturn's rings? Jupiter's size? Neptune's blue beauty? Stick around, next time, we're heading beyond the planets.